Distinguished Board of Governors of the Management Association of the Philippines, the Board of Judges, friends and colleagues in MAP, ladies and gentlemen, a pleasant good afternoon to all of you. The Management Association of the Philippines is widely known in the business community as a promoter of management excellence, not just within one's company but also for the benefit of the community and the country. To be given an award such as this is truly an honor because our work is recognized to have excelled in doing our share in nation building. MAP President Mr. Gigi Montinola, MAP Judging Committee Chairman Mr. Ed Chua, MAP Search Committee Chairman Attorney Francis Lim, and to all of you, thank you very much for this recognition. I am extremely honored, but this is an award shared by our stockholders, management team, our employees, and most of all, our customers who believe in us and our products. This is truly a pleasant and positive development amid a difficult and challenging time in our world and in our country today, experienced by our fellow Filipinos and all of us gathered here today. Indeed, the challenge of the COVID-19 pandemic has not been easy, but as MAP themes for 2021, the Great Reset, leading for the common good, states we persevere and we keep on moving forward, not just for our business, but for ourselves, our families, and most of all, for our country. Liwayway Marketing is no stranger to difficult times. Looking back, it started shortly after World War II, when the country was rebuilding from the ruins. Liwayway started a small family business selling ground coffee and cornstarch by my father, Mr. Chanlit, a native of Fujian province who moved to the Philippines in 1914. My father bought laundry starch in bulk from the importer and repacked them into smaller packages and ventured into reselling these products into public market, stamped with the label Liwayway Caucao, a Tagalog words for dawn. The business flourished and was incorporated as Liwayway Marketing Corporation in 1966. The company soon ventured into the distribution of candles. It was managed by my younger brother Manuel. After the other siblings left the family enterprise to put up their own businesses, one of them is Ben Chan, who founded Ben's, a popular Philippine clothing brand. In 1974, Liwayway Marketing bought a Japanese processing machine and began making prawn crackers and flakes, which we marketed under the Oishi brand, the Japanese word for tasty or delicious. The Liwayway first factory was initially leased in Bulacan, but eventually transferred to a new site in Imus, Cavite for a bigger space and capacity. It was in Cavite where new flavors were introduced and Oishi became one of the country's well-known snack food brands. However, the extremely volatile political situation in the 80s made it difficult for our company to grow. Liwayway started to grow during the 90s under the administration of former President Fidel Ramos. After hearing that from friends about economic liberalization in China, I went there to check the prospect of business. I took advantage of the economic reforms implemented in China under the leadership of Deng Xiaoping, and I entered into cooperative joint venture with 2 state-owned companies that allowed me to lease their warehouses. It was a big risk to enter a foreign market at that time. We encountered numerous challenges in penetrating the Chinese market, but continuous hard work paid off. OEC soon became well known and was named Shanghai Famous Brand in 1996. After recognized and declared a China Famous Brand in 2001, I thought of expanding the business to other key cities like Harbin, Kunming, Suzhou, Zhejiang, and Tianjin, all in a span of 5 years. I went simultaneously to Vietnam and Myanmar, and later into Asia's emerging markets like Indonesia, Thailand, Cambodia. Liu Weiwei also tried to explore other uncharted territories outside of Asia as it built its manufacturing plant in Johannesburg, South Africa in 2015. We were the first Filipino company to invest in this region. Without losing focus in the Philippines market, we also built satellite production facilities in Cagayan de Oro in Mindanao, Cebu, and Iloilo City in Visayas, and Tarlac province to serve the central and northern Luzon region. Our sales in Mindanao grew more when we put up our plant in Cagayan de Oro. This means you are developing an advantage when you put up more distribution points in various regions. Our continued effort to improve our products with aggressive marketing made OEC a popular snack food able to compete with the best in the international markets. It gave Liu Weiwei pride to bring Filipino products to groceries shelved in other different parts of the world. With the newest addition of production factories in Tashkent, Uzbekistan, and Dhaka in Bangladesh. In recent years, I also helped in bringing the Jeco Donuts franchise to Manila, which now has over 50 branches in the country. The strong work ethics, dedication, and support of everyone have given success to all of our endeavors throughout the years. With great pride, I must share this award, honor, and success with my beloved wife Priscilla, who is my inspiration and strength. She stood by me during the most challenging times of our business. More importantly, she holds the strings of the purse, which without doubt is crucial in the success of a business. I also owe it to my children who unselfishly support and give their best talents and effort for the company to grow, prosper, and compete in the global market. My children Carson, Archie, Rimby, Larry, Osen, and Sherilyn are living proof that the third generation can very well continue and grow a family business started by the first and second generation. My wife and children are my priceless treasures, and I thank God for blessing me with a wonderful family. Businessmen usually start small, although they can always dream big. As they say, no dream is considered big, but no dreamer is too small either. You must work hard, be humble, patient, persevering, and always stick with your core values and principles. We now face difficult times because of the pandemic, but I know that Liu Weiwei Marketing will survive because of the perseverance of the strength of heart of everyone in the company. We will remain steadfast in our commitment to achieving our goals towards the progress of both the companies and our country. Let this award serve as an inspiration to everyone in the company and to every Filipino to dream and move to greater heights. This award is not an end but our guiding force to pursue more. Thank you very much and more power to MAP.